Daniel Jikal. Am I saying that correctly? He is 2004. He a youngin, bruh. South Korean American rapper under P Nation. Let's go. He's Korean American. He was born in Florida. Hey, me too. Miami, Florida, 305. I don't know where exactly you from, but moved to California and moved to Brazil. Whoa. Daniel, let's check out what you got. This is Fresh by Daniel Jikal.
Money, fame, I don't trust.
Whoa.
Keep it fresh till it's done. Money, fame, I don't trust. Keep it fresh till it's done.
Damn. You got a good voice. I never seen your shit yet before in the past, but I already like how you going. I don't know how to do it like you though. Woo. Woo. Get it. Oh, I like your voice, your rap voice. What we gonna do? Come through. Woo! That shit flame. Turn this bitch up. What the fuck? Woo! Hey! Ooh! Fresh. Hey, 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 get it. Fresh, fresh. Hey, this shit go hard. I don't know, something about like the deep bass when it hits and then his voice pops off too with his bassful like voice as well. That shit hit. This is a twerking song, bro. Woo. Okay, man, I want to hear something with him in like BM or some shit, bro. Woo. Woo. What you do? He said he trying to give out his mixtapes, bro. Woo. Who the hell has CDs nowadays, bro? We don't have CD players out here. I mean, some people do. Woo! Hey! Okay! Hey! That's fire. That's fire. Oh wait, who is that? Ooh, it's a bouncer. It's like that bob your head kind of ish. Fresh. It's fire. I might add this to the playlist. I don't trust.
Keep it fresh till it's done. Money, fame.
I don't trust.
Keep it fresh till it's done.
Sheesh. Okay, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. 1.5 mil. They need more than that. They need at least 5 mil or something like that. That shit was fire. So this is who they were debuting. Okay, my bad for sleeping. Hold up. Let me add you. Daniel Jikal. Yeah, there we go. Let me add you. My bad. He got that one. He got one of a kind, like G-Dragon shit. Hold up. Let me add you to my playlist, bro. If you guys don't know, I have a playlist. It's called, I have so many, just replay every day. Let me hear this. Oh, we got lyrics. Oh, this one's a little bit different, huh? One of a kind. Something Korean spitting, never missing. Something Korean up all night cause of my vision. This is my time. What?
One of a kind, no jet is spitting, never missing. By myself all night cause of my vision. This is my time, no hidden people.
Hey!
Yeah, I'm going solo, holding down the whole running the game.
Hey! That shit go hard. I like your voice. The way that your voice with this beat. Woo. Bro, I need to hear this voice live, real talk. Hey man, let me interview you. Woo! This is my time, no hidden beat me, made you cheated on. We don't all lie, got to the top, got me feeling like one of a kind. I'm just spitting, never missing by myself all night, cause of my vision. Yeah. My time, no hidden beat me, made you cheated. Look, time is ticking, gotta keep going. Look, I'm switching on my time zones. Like I'm switching. Damn. Like I'm switching my clothes, yeah, I'm on night mode. I might need a break. Oh, he in it. Oh, he in it. I'm living on my prophecies, and I'm not you wishing on my success. You just don't your Peter Waps. Woo! Woo! What's happening? Ooh, let's switch up though. Coming up next. Woo! Yeah. Who you know be rapping and singing? Oh, who produced this? Lee G? Oh, Psy? Who you know be filming, directing, editing, making all these movies on. Woo! I'm here to stay, changing the game. I'll be finding my way. One of a kind on jet is spinning, never missing. Okay, one of a kind on jet is spinning, never missing. Coming up next. Damn. I'm coming up next. He produced his things and is a video maker, Drake. God damn. Music, composer, lyrics. Damn, you talented. Hey man, I'm a new fan. I'm a new fan. Daniel, hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Adding this too. That shit fire, bro. Download that shit, bro. Download that shit for real. What the hell?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.